Everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the couldn't complete your purchase error on Google Play. If you're trying to buy something from the Google Play Store, but this error keeps appearing, there are a few simple steps that you can try. But before we begin, make sure the correct country is selected on your Google Play Store account. So to get started, I want you to open the settings on your Android phone. So then scroll down and tap apps and then use the search option and search for Google Play Store. So once you find it, tap it to open the app's settings. Next, go to the storage, tap clear cache first, then select clear storage. If a confirmation message appears, tap delete to continue. So this can help remove temporary data that may be causing the purchase error. So after that, go back to the Google Play Store app information page, find force stop, tap it, and select OK when the confirmation message appears. So once you've completed all the steps, restart your Android phone. And after your phone restarts, open the Google Play Store again and try making the purchase one more time to check if the error has been fixed. So thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.